Hello folks, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. On today's vlog, I have no idea what I'm doing. Today's a Monday, we're starting off the week. Where did I finish last week? Yeah, I told you on Saturday, yeah, we're going for dinner. We didn't go to Harvester in the end. We went to Frankie and Benny's, which was really good and it was really nice. The food was amazing. I got a carbonara and I asked them would he like do a chicken crispy, and they did, and it was so good. Oh my god, the food was amazing. The last time I'd been to Frankie and Benny's was like years ago, and the food was rank. It was literally rank. But this time the food was so good. It was so good. I absolutely loved it. It was so good. Like we literally had starters. We had like big garlic bread between the five of us. Yeah, we got 2 garlic breads to share between 5 of us. Then the boys and Saoirse got pizza, which they, oh my god, they wolfed down. It was such a nice pizza. And then I got carbonara. My partner got some kind of a spicy sausage pasta. And then I had like a Sicilian lemon tart. And then the kids had lollipops, which was grand. But it was such a nice like experience, because we haven't all been out for like dinner as a 5-piece. So that was really, really nice. And the kids were all so well behaved and just chilling and doing a little bit of colouring on their things. So that was really, really sweet. Today, yeah, I've just finished 2 more videos. I've done the eyeshadow tag part 2, and I've done one of my, packed away one of my boxes, my foundations. I thought the box would have been big enough that I would have managed to get my foundations and my tans in, because that was kind of what I was kind of hoping. So, yeah, I might still add the tans and then just add it into the video. I'm not sure. Still haven't really figured out what I'm doing yet, but yeah, that's what I'm at for today. I'm going to pick Saoirse up from Childminders in a bit, and then I'm going to go to Aldi because I need the new makeup and stuff coming in, so I want to have a look at it. I'm really trying really, really hard not to buy any new makeup, and Beauty Bay keeps sending me out like these reminders on the app going, oh, 50% off and get an extra 10, and I'm just like, oh, would you stop? I literally don't need any more stuff. So I'm really, really, really trying really, really hard to be good. I'm trying to save, and I'm like, please just stop tempting me with things that you know I like and you know I want. Like I've literally had to get rid of some apps on my phone because like I had In The Style and I had another one, another fashion one. I think it was Boohoo or something. I was like, this is really ridiculous. I've never actually purchased from either of the brands, but they kept kind of sending me notifications. Oh, and Wish as well, and AliExpress. I got rid of all of them because I was like, you're actually like doing my nutting. So like Wish sending me like these notifications, and I'm thinking, oh, it's somebody texting me, it's something important. And they're just like, oh, we've got a fancy toilet brush. I'm like, really? But yeah. Yeah, I got rid of Wish, I got rid of AliExpress, I got rid of Boohoo and In The Style. And I'm tempted to get rid of a few other ones as well. Not gonna lie, because they're annoying me. I think the only 2 kind of shopping apps I have left is Cult Beauty and Beauty Bay, and Very, because I like Very. And they don't spam me like that either. They usually send me out a discount code every now and again, so I'm like, happy days. Yeah, but other than that, not a lot has happened. I haven't even seen the warehouse yet, actually. My partner has been down there like filling it up with stuff. But we're tackling this room today. I'm going to pack it all away in the car. And then it's just like, because I've been going through Saoirse's clothes and I was meant to go to a boot fair the week I got COVID. So back there in December, I got to think what month I was in. And I was like, I couldn't do the boot fair. So I was really pissed off. I was really annoyed that I couldn't do the boot fair because I really wanted to go. And I now have all the bags, and they were left in the car, and then we brought them in, and now it's literally a case of they've been in the car, out the car, in the car, out the car, because we just don't have the space for them. So now I can just put them in the storage unit, pack up my books, which I think I have pretty much done already. Maybe they've gone, I don't know. It's hard to keep track of everything now. I feel I'm getting a cold again. It hasn't fully came through. But every morning I wake up, I'm feeling a bit heady and a bit like kind of clogged up, and I'm like, ugh. I keep having to do a lateral flow. I'm like, I keep having to do a lateral flow because I'm like, oh God, is this COVID again? I'm just so afraid of getting it again. And one of my friends, her dad passed away, and I think it was from that as well. So I'm kind of like, oh God, because I know he had it. I know he went into hospital with it, but then I don't know I haven't really been speaking to her much, so I don't really know the situation. But yeah, God love her. I know how that feels to lose your dad. It's not a nice one. So that's where I'm at today. I'm just going to chill out now because Saoirse was up. Well, she wasn't up last night actually. Last night was the first night she's done a whole night's sleep. Again, she's not in her bed yet, but we're working on that. That's a work in progress. That's why I was like, she can just stay where she is sleeping with me. But it was very cold last night. It was very cold. So hopefully tonight is a little bit warmer. We're going to get all the stuff cleared out, and hopefully she'll stay in her bed tonight. Fingers crossed. Right, I'm going to make a cup of tea, a cup of coffee. I have no idea. Might make something nice. I'll bring you along anyway. So this is my breakfast / lunch. Nothing too fancy. Bit of cup of soup and a sandwich with cheese and corned beef and a bit of mustard. That's it. So yeah, nothing too fancy, just a cup of tea and a sandwich really. Or not a cup of tea, a cup of soup. Not a cup of soup because I'm actually really cold right now. I don't know why I'm so cold. But yeah, I just thought a cup of soup would keep me warm. I love this mug. My friend got it for me, but it's like the Polar Express. Choo choo. And I love the Polar Express. So as you can see here in the background, like everything is just like, we're getting rid. We're packing up. It's happening. Where are we moving? No idea. Yes, I have a bag out there with kids' toys in it from the weekend as well. So I'm literally just like packing up in all these crates behind me here. They're going to be packed. I've got one makeup box is already in, which was last week's bronzers one. And then this week's foundations one is going to go. All these bags here are going to go. Yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to it. I just wish we could find somewhere. That's my next thing. It's just like finding the right place now. And not for an extortionate amount of money either. So we'll see what happens. What was I going to say to you? Yeah, are any of you watching Discovery of Witches? I can't remember if it was my friend that said it to me or I said it to her. But yeah, we both love it. She's on season 3. I'm just finishing up season 2. I've watched it already, but I'm just kind of catching up now because I kind of forgot things that happened. I was like, just let me rewatch season 2 before I start season 3 so then I actually know what's happening. Because my mind is like a sieve. Literally, I've got such bad baby brain, it's not even funny. I think that's from having 3 kids, like, and having them all quite close together. Fun times. Anyhow, I'm going to eat this because I'm starving, and I'll talk to you later. Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all having a great day. Today is what day? It's a Wednesday. I didn't vlog yesterday at all, and I didn't even finish vlogging on Monday because, well, I don't know. I just didn't. Oh no, Monday. We were finishing packing up the storage unit, which we still haven't finished doing. And yesterday I had a friend over and I was minding her kid and I just, like, the day just like literally got away with me. So yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday because I had another little girl here. And so today me and Saoirse went uptown. We had a look around, just got a few bits from Lidl, not much. It was just like a packet of crisps and some pizzas for the boys for tonight because it's Wednesday. And we have athletics tonight. So I have to collect my other friend's Cade and bring him as well. So yeah, I'm literally turning into a soccer mom. Who knew? Or an athletics mom. Fun times though. And Saoirse and I have just now made some banana bread muffins for the boys for tonight. I think I might like insert some caramel sauce or some icing, or I don't know, I'm going to try and stick something in the middle of them so that when they bite them, you know, like, is it like, what are them ones called? The really nice ones, really expensive ones. I'm going to try and do something a little bougie like that for them, just to give them an energy boost after school. So hopefully that'll work. We have a viewing this Friday, hopefully to see a house if it hasn't sold before we get there, which usually is what happens. But so far we're still good to go, so I'm happy enough with that. Now me and Saoirse are going to bake for the day. So me and Saoirse have just made some buns. I will insert a little piece here somewhere of her making them. She's super cute, God bless her. And I went to a charity shop this morning and we got this really lovely little vanity. Oh, here she is. Here she is. The star baker. My Saoirse. My Saoirse. Cheeky girl. And yeah, she was putting on her makeup and she thinks she's the bee's knees, all her lovely makeup. So that's what I'm at so far. I will update you later on. How are you getting on? Yeah. No, careful. Gently now, gently. Good girl. There's my little chef. What are we making, Saoirse? Huh? No. What are we making? Making bread. No. So this is the beautiful, lovely, delicious cupcakes that me and my daughter made this morning. How good do they look? And we put some cream in the inside. It's salted caramel. So when you bite down, yeah, it'll all be like caramelly and nice and gooey, hopefully. Yeah, got all the stuff in Aldi for them, so happy days. Hey guys, how are you all? I just thought I would do a little catch up today because I haven't been vlogging much this week and it's now Friday. I actually haven't even taken up the camera since Monday. I've been really behind with everything. But then again, not really that much has happened, but I have a little bit of good news today. My partner is gone to view a house for us. So I'm really excited because I'm like, oh my God, like, is this the one? Like, could this be it? So I'm waiting for him to call me so that I can, he's going to do a video call and show me around the house and take some pictures and stuff. So yeah, we'll see. I'm really excited. Just thought I'd come in and share that with you because that's about the height of my good news this week. On Tuesday I didn't vlog because I was minding my friend's daughter and stuff. I didn't think it'd be fair to have her on camera. And then Wednesday, what did I do? It was just basic like school runs, that kind of thing, athletics then in the evening with the kids, and it's just like, you know, you just get busy, and we've been packing up as well, so it's just kind of been like me sorting out the house, getting rid of stuff. I did a charity run as well, so I went to the charity shop with a load of stuff. Then yesterday, and we had projects as well to hand in, so we had 2 projects this week. One was the Great Fire of London and the other one was the toy, what was it, toys throughout history. So my little one had to bring in a modern toy and an old toy, and he brought in, I think, one of my Polly Pockets or something. Yeah, I gave him a Polly Pocket, and I also gave him one of my old teddies, which was actually my teddy. So I'm like, please bring him back in one piece, because I know this is going to sound so bad, but I actually still sleep with him. I've had this teddy since I was like 5 years old, 5 or 6, and he's raggedy. He's absolutely raggedy. I need to know if there is a teddy bear hospital out there, because my poor Teddy Claus, he needs a bit of restructuring and maybe a few stitches. Bless him. But he's like the comfiest teddy. I've had him for like the longest time, honestly, and I feel really lost if I don't have him when I go to sleep. I can't sleep properly because I've always slept, I've always used him as a pillow, on top of a pillow, if you get me. Anyhow, I'll show you when the kids come back. He's like my favourite teddy. And yeah, so we had to build a house for my eldest's project, which was from Pudding Lane 1666, Great Fire of London. I'm learning all these things here. I'm learning some British history. So we made that house and it was so cool. I'm not even going to lie. If I get it back, I will show you. I made these little, so I did the house like normal, you know, 2 boxes and what have you, painted everything with the sample paints that we were supposed to paint our sitting room with, but we never actually got around to it, which, well, they came in handy in the end. And what was it? Yeah, painted the boxes. And then I made a window out of lollipop sticks, and I got them to open and shut. I made them that they had little sellotape hinges, and inside I made a little fireplace with like wooden beams or whatever you call them in the background. I drew a little fireplace and painted in some fire. I thought it looked pretty cool, and I did a little picture of what would have been a queen at the time. Queen Elizabeth I, I think it is. Just a little doodle, just to kind of keep it relevant to the time. I thought it was really cool, and I was up like till after midnight making this project, and I was like, this is motherhood right here. I was literally living the life. Yeah, it was really fun. And then just Logan had to like research his history of toys, which was really good as well. And it was interesting for me. Like, I didn't realise like back in 2600 BC was when they first found toys in rooms. Hello. How gorgeous does my princess look today? Oh, you've gone out of focus. You tired? You look a bit sleepy, Baba. So yeah, I just thought I'd come in and update you all real quickly because, as I said, I haven't really had the time this week. Logan is kind of coming down with a cold, so I don't think I'm going to be vlogging tomorrow or Sunday because we are just going to chill. You want a huggy? Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, because I think we're just going to chill and have movie Oh, how awesome does her hair look? You've got really nice hair, Saoirse. Look at these beautiful curls. Your hair looks really nice. I love your little fringy bit. You're a pretty girl. My pretty girl. My clever girl. Smart as a fox you are. Yeah, so I think that's going to be it for us this week. I've now enrolled the boys into some football, so that means 3 days out of the week the boys are going to be busy, and then come Saturday and Sunday like they're going to be absolutely shattered. So yeah. Ooh. Here's my lovely girl who keeps me up till 4 o'clock in the mornings, hence the bags under my eyes. Yeah. You say, Mummy, Mummy, help me. Help me, Mummy. Help me. Nothing wrong with her. Literally nothing wrong with her.
No.
Right, you're going to say goodbye.
Bye.
Give a little kiss. Alrighty, folks, I'm going to love you and leave you, and I'll talk to you in my next vlog. Bye. Mwah.